Hey there, Nevlin Knights. We're walking outside of Mr. Klehr's house right now. I'm going to show you what we can be doing when we are at home, when we're doing our distance learning right now. We can still be productive for the environment. We can still be productive for our body and our mind. I'm standing outside right now and I'm looking down. I see a bunch of sticks. What I'm going to do today, you can see it in the background, I'm already started. I'm picking up all of my sticks today. I'm going to walk around and I'm going to pick up all the big ones. Then I'm going to come back with the rake and I'm going to rake up all the leaves. I'm going to do that today for at least my 60 minutes of daily activity. I think I'm going to do this for 30 minutes and then I'm going to go for a walk for 30 minutes, which is another great way to be active during this time. I wish you all very, very well. I hope you're all healthy. I can't wait to see you again, make more videos about here. We're going to learn a lot about Mr. Klehr, a lot about where I live and what I like to do. So this is going to be very, very exciting. I'm excited for you, I'm excited with you, and I can't wait to talk to you again. Bye, Nevlin Knights.